Oh, yeah.
There's nothing better than yet another unboxing video. Alright, introduction, Grady Anderson here. As always, we've got 2 pairs of sneakers to be unboxing. That's why you have to be paying more attentions on them. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it.
Tell me what to do. Show me how to feel under your control. Everything is real, so hit me.
First pairs over here, as you can see, we've got Nike SB Dunk Low Pigeon Black by Jeff Staple. And we all know that the history of Jeff Staple and the riot of Nike SB Dunk Pigeon back in 2005 that made the sneaker culture was never the same.
Home video shows the scene outside the Reed Space Store on the Lower East Side yesterday when nearly 100 self-proclaimed sneakerheads got into a shoving match as they waited for the doors to open and the chance to buy one of only 20 pairs of pigeons. Limited edition, of course.
For this particular sneakers over here, as you can see, released in 2017, the shoe itself is one of the ultimate grails. The return of the sneaker has come in time for both 15th anniversary of SB Dunk and the 20th anniversary for Staple design. Jeff Staples present a blank slate of simple black of the sneakers to just let the pigeon be the story. Still on the design, as you can see over here, Nike SB Dunk Low Pigeon Black was inspired by Staples' classic 05 Pigeon colorway. The shoe features a black nubuck and the Stetson waterproof leather upper with the black midsole and the sienna outsole. It also comes with the original Spada thick tongue, as you can see over here, and the iconic pigeon logo on the back of the heel. In conclusion, the shoe is just crazy. Move on to the next pair over here, as you can see. So this pair over here is famed by the name Le Coq Sportif Quartz Vintage Iron Top. It's so hard, but you can call it by the name Quartz or Q, whatever you like, you go by their name. So as you can see over here, it is actually classic pair that is suitable for both women and men. In talking design, the upper part here is actually made from genuine leather, full of grain leather, and then suede, as you can see over here. And the lining here is made of textile, and the insole is also made of textile that gives great comfort, as the sole is actually made of rubber that is from a high quality material for the surfaces, and the Ira top technology is a big advantage model for these sneakers for casually and also universally. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Grady Anderson here from Story of Sneakers. Glad to have you back here on this channel. Glad to have me back here on this channel. And like this video, comment down below, and actually subscribe to these channels because amazing, wonderful, whatever you want to mention about the things, it's gonna happen to this channel. So thank you so much.